How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to whiten your teeth at home without baking soda. So I got this question from a subscriber, you guys. Before we go over it, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me for only $50 a month or buying some cool fitness and wellness gear, have a look in my description box right now, you guys, for all those details. So let's get started. How are we going to whiten our teeth? Most products that whiten your teeth have very harmful chemicals in them. So it's very important that we choose the right products. So let's go over a few ways. Oil pulling is an old school method. It can help to improve oral health and to remove toxins from your body. For this method, all we are going to do is swish around some oil in our mouth. So very simple, very easy to do, you guys. By doing this, we are actually removing the plaque from our teeth, which causes the yellow staining. Over time, our teeth will become whiter. The type of oil that you do choose is very important. It is recommended by most people, and for myself, that it's recommended that you use coconut oil or sunflower oil. I have both in my description box. If you guys are interested in buying either or trying them out, again, they're in my description box. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent, you guys. Majority of the whitening products that are on the market have a very high amount of hydrogen peroxide in them. So be careful about the concentration levels of the peroxide that you guys are using. Heavy concentrations can cause tooth sensitivity and gum irritation. The most common concentration is around 3% at most local stores. You can easily dilute this though to 1% by simply mixing 2/3 of water, 2/3 cup of water to the 1/3 of hydrogen peroxide, you guys. Only try this though once a week. Doing this too much can actually wreck your tooth enamel, guys, your enamel. So use apple cider vinegar. This is another method. The main ingredient in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid. So this acid kills bacteria instantly. Just like that, you guys, the bacteria is gone. Do not use apple cider vinegar every single day because it can wear out your tooth enamel, you guys. So I myself, though, I do use apple cider vinegar every single day. Here's the tip that I do. When I drink it, I kind of just try to swallow it, and I don't really try to put it on my teeth, if you kind of know what I mean. What I will do is I will get the spoon, and I'll kind of just like swish it back in my mouth, kind of go straight down my throat. I won't really like put it on my teeth and swish it around. It'll kind of, I know it's very hard, a little bit confusing, but that's what I try to do so it really doesn't get on my teeth. So again, watch the apple cider vinegar for your tooth enamel, but again, it's very easy to minimize it. You can use a straw. Again, I recommend 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use a straw too, and that'll kind of minimize it getting on your tooth. But again, I say this because it can wear out your tooth enamel. So instead of using it every single day, again, you can use it every single day. You can use it every 3 days or so if you want. This will substantially help whiten your teeth, you guys. So if you're noticing yellow teeth, people are saying, wow, your teeth are really yellow, try apple cider vinegar. Eat calcium and phosphorus rich foods. What high acidity foods do your teeth high acidity foods cause demineralization in your teeth, you guys. This is what happens when certain foods, when certain foods lower the natural pH levels in your mouth, which allows plaque bacterial to soften and to erode your enamel, you guys. So very important, calcium and phosphorus rich foods. Watch the high acidity foods, you guys. It's going to cause demineralization. So what are some high phosphorus and calcium foods that you can eat? Broccoli, kale, yogurt, spinach, salmon, and nuts are very high in phosphorus and calcium. Eat these daily except for the salmon. It is not healthy to eat fish every single day because of the mercury levels in them. There may be some fish that it may be okay, but in general, most fish are pretty high in mercury levels. So it's better, I always tell people it's better to caution to eat it every 3 days or every 4 days or every even every other day I would be a little cautious on. Again, you guys can do your own research for yourself, but in my opinion, it's better to caution on the side of not eating it than to caution on eating it too much. You got to watch out for mercury levels in the salmon, you guys. But those are some foods that you can eat. I love broccoli, I love yogurt, I love spinach, I love kale, salmon, I love cashews, peanut butter, nuts, love them as well. So for me anyways, those foods are staples in my diet. I can't say I eat spinach and kale every single day, but the nuts, the spinach, the broccoli, I do incorporate those into my diet quite frequently. But end of video, that is one way that those are some ways that you guys can do to help whiten your teeth at home if they are yellow. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel again if you guys haven't already. Like the video, share it. Follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and have a great day, everyone.